What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to integrate an affiliate marketing system into your WooCommerce WordPress plugin for free without coding, into a simple, fast and very effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, on your browser address bar, your domain plus wp-admin, enter with email and password. You're gonna be able to see the WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have products present on your WooCommerce plugin and you already have WooCommerce plugin properly set up. Okay? In the case that you don't know how to install WooCommerce, in case that you want to help, there is a complete playlist of WooCommerce WordPress plugin usage on our Visualmodo YouTube channel, and you can watch there from ease. Okay, so after, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, over mouse over plugins and click on add plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Into this empty field, type YITH WooCommerce affiliates. Okay, click on install now and choose this first one right here. Click into the activate button. This gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. But if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, next to appearance you're gonna be able to find a new menu called YITH. Okay, and right here you're gonna be able to see the affiliates. You can add new affiliates from here in the case that you want, okay, or review the new affiliate requests. First thing that I recommend you to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance. You can go to menus in the case that you are using a classic WordPress theme, or you can go to the customize in the case that you are using block WordPress theme, and apply on your menu the new page that the plugin creates for us, call it affiliate dashboard. You can change the name of the plugin in the case that you want, the name of the page, for example, just affiliate, save change. Now if you go to the live website and go to affiliates, you're gonna be able to see a registration form to become an affiliate. So every person, every potential affiliate of your site gonna need to be on this page to request an affiliation. Okay, let me show you one example of how it gonna looks like. As soon as you complete the form present into this page, you're gonna receive, as the site owner, a request from this affiliate to become one, and you can use these three little dots to enable the affiliate system. Now here is the first affiliate, it's approved, and as soon as the final user go back right here, they're gonna be able to find all of the results they need. Here is the link that the final user gonna use, and they can share the links into the social medias as well. As soon as someone purchases something on your shop using this link, the affiliate gonna gain the commission, and of course you, as the shop owner, can set up the commission, can change the registration fields, can change the dashboard, and can review the commission and payments. The default commission rate can be 10%, 5%, up to you, up to your needs. Okay, here is the commission list, and the commission payment, okay? As soon as some affiliates generate sales for you, you're gonna be able to see content into these lists. Simple, easy, and very, very effective, okay? It works great, it helps you to sell more on your shop, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!